welcome. So this old ceiling fan wasn't working. This is when I removed it. And at this point, I'm just going over the wires just to make sure nothing was loose or anything like that before I went out and bought a new one. So everything was wired up correctly, so that old motor was just burnt out. So here's the new fan I decided to go with. It comes with 4 LED lights, which really brightens up the room. So once I had it all back together, tested it out, it works perfect.